So if you don't know how to clean your um, pistons, this is a good video for you. The only thing I used was WD40, and of course I used this piston rings extractor or installer. I don't know how you want to call this, but it's just a tool to deal with piston rings. You just put the spacing here, just one hand, squeeze it, it opens the rings. Of course don't squeeze at all because it's going to screw your rings, but to remove doesn't quite matter because you're not going to use it, but to put them in place, yes you do. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I made a video before of me cleaning the pistons. Try to fix this here. I hope you can see me. So I clean up 2 of those, and I'm only using WD40 and gloves, of course. And let me see if it's the right side. And I got razor blades, but they're not sharp, so I don't quite understand. Do I need to sharpen? No. So I got this here. This is what I have right now. So this is kind of clean. I need to put something else in here, but looks pretty clean. This is soaking on WD-40 right now, and this is, I was doing this right before I got this video. So I hope you can see this. I'm gonna try to turn on this light, but it's not very bright. And now with the stuff stained here, I have some brake cleaner. Actually, it's almost gone. If it's not gone all the way, yeah, I don't think I have any more. I need to get more of those. So just for fun, let me do some more. This here. I gotta take these rings out of here too. I have the 2 inside. They're not bothering me right now. I gave a little break. This is the one that was in my office, doesn't have the rings anymore, but still have some parts here that needs to be cleaned. This is good, this is good, and those two need a little love. So this is the last one. You see I have 3 of them, some WD40. I only use WD40 to clean, and this is 1, 2, and 3. This one has a little bit of stuff in here, and it's not coming off, so I might leave this here like this just to see if it comes off. So I was researching, and this guy from a good engine shop, I don't remember which one was, but it was big and nice, and he was cleaning with only WD40, and also the engine. So I was kind of surprised. Yeah, I'll try to remove this. I don't know if I screwed this or the guy that sold it to me screwed it. I'm gonna leave this here, and we can deal with that in a while. Start with this one. I bought these two at Summit Racing. So you just squeeze in there, open a little bit, and then it comes right up. I'm just gonna leave it here. So that's the one. That's ring number 2. And if you see here, we can find a little the opening. This is a little harder because it's the oil one, but you don't need to do like this. The tool doesn't grab in there. So let's get the opening. There you go, it's right here. Where is it? Look at that. I'm trying to get this part overlap so I can just take it over. This is you don't reuse them. I'm gonna replace it. And of course the last one, I'm gonna get a screwdriver, a tiny one. I just want to fish it out. There you go. It is only that. Just be careful if you do that to not screw your piston. I need to clean the grooves later and take this apart. People say that this is painful. I'm gonna suffer that. So now we have one. That's the one that didn't have it already. So we have 2. Let's take out of this one. Boom. Alright, so it was hours of work. This one still has some stuff on top. I'm not sure what to think about it. Maybe I need to send to be polished or something. So here we have this one, this other one. They are all clean. And the rings are not there anymore. You see, this one was touching the body. I don't know which one that was, but this is the block. You can't quite see anything bad. I'm going to disassemble that anyway. Here's the cat. The dog is not here. So I'm going to, I think it's Hone is the name. Those cylinders, you can see kinda here, just a little bit where it was touching. So I wonder why. This is still moving freely, it has some oil underneath. Apparently this crankshaft was balanced. Look at the hole there. There's no hole here. There's some crap down there. Oh, there's two holes here. Yeah, it was totally balanced. The same guy that was talking about the shop, he was doing, oh shit, he was doing this on the crankshaft, and I was like, dude, why you do that? Apparently it's normal. So you have some in there and not in the last one. I mean, just on the last one. So yeah, follow my progress, subscribe to my channel. I also have a website where I post everything that you can see on this video, but I also have some pictures, so it's worth to check it out. You know, if you have a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cool, you can you're going to enjoy this. You're going to use this website much more, all these videos much more than if you don't have one. But you know, I never knew how to install a turbo or how to do something else, and I'm no means professional at all. So I'm just learning as I go, maybe like you, you know. So I think it's a good opportunity for you to do the same. Feel confident, you know. And sometimes we screw up stuff, and I hope I screw up and not you. But I hope I don't screw up either. But yeah, I hope this is useful for you somehow. And let's make this baby fly.